Alright, good morning everyone. Today is a very special day because it's the longest day of the year. It's also the summer solstice, June 21. And it's also special because it's Father's Day. And it's gonna be extra special because today an eclipse is happening. It's going to be a solar eclipse. In other parts of the world, like Africa, it's going to be an annular solar eclipse, which means that the moon will be slightly smaller than the disk of the sun, and it will create a ring of fire in the sky. So, I'm here in Metro Manila. That means that there's only going to be a partial solar eclipse, but it's going to cover a big percentage of the disk of the sun. Let me show you. Alright, so I've got timeanddate.com on my cell phone, and as you can see, this will be what we will see later this afternoon at 4:22. That's the maximum coverage of the surface of the sun by the moon. So this dark area is the moon, and that yellow part is the sun. So the moon will be covering the sun. So that's the maximum area that's going to be covered. So let me show you an animation here just to show you exactly what will happen. Okay, let me play that. So yeah, there's the moon at the bottom. It's going to cover the sun, and at around 4:22, that's the maximum there, and it will leave. And there you go. Alright guys, it's 3 minutes after 3 o'clock, so the eclipse has already started. But we're not going to film yet. We're going to film when it's near the maximum. That's about 4:22 p.m. See you later. Hello, yan ang burger.
New business na naman po namin ang aming new burger.
Oh yun, Jack's Burger. Ayan, nandito tayo sa Jack's Burger ngayon, freshly cooked burger. Yan na, may classic burger with coleslaw, may double burger, big Jack's Burger, footlong, fries, easy fries, shake, price to go, mga burger and fries and shake. Saan kayo nagde-deliver?
Antipolo po.
Sa Antipolo lang, okay. Paano naman yung wala sa Antipolo?
Pwede rin po, pero ano lang.
Malalapit lang.
Opo.
Ayan, okay ito yung price, oh. Ayan, okay ito. Ayan, cheese. Ayan, kailangan malagyan ng cheese. Cheese.
Ay, hindi. Ang kaya na tayo. Paano ka mag-drive?
Father's Day po.
Thank you.
Father's Day, kuya.
So magpo 4 o'clock na. So yung eclipse siguro 50% na. Yan natin yung araw.
Nasa di araw.
O yan, hindi maliwanag ang araw.
this isn't enough for us to see the eclipse properly. Masakita mo siya. You see that? That's the eclipse itself. I'm gonna lower the exposure so we can see the disk of the sun here, but there's actually the reflection. For some reason you see the actual eclipse here, not this one. See? So it's almost at maximum. It's 4:18 in the afternoon. See, that's the only area of the sun left. See that? Okay. This isn't the actual eclipse. This is the actual eclipse, and we're lucky enough to be filming it right now. Okay, just 4 more minutes and we're at maximum. So in other parts of the world like Africa, this is an annular eclipse.
Barbecue.
So by annular, it means that there's a ring of fire that can be seen in the sky. So you see, it's almost at maximum. There. So 1 minute na lang. Just 1 more minute and it will be at maximum. So I can feel the heat of the sun significantly diminished now. Okay, we're at maximum, see? We're at maximum. This is the biggest portion of the sun covered by the moon. So it's almost at maximum. It's 4:18 in the afternoon. See, that's the only area of the sun left. See that? This isn't the actual eclipse. This is the actual eclipse, and we're lucky enough to be filming it right now. This is a very narrow street. Some vehicles pass by. This is amazing.
Gutom na ako.
Gutom ka na? Yeah, we have burgers. Gutom na daw yung assistant ko, oh.
Ano yung video niya?
Dito, kita.
Maximum na. Dito nga?
Oo.
Pero parang konti lang nabawas sa liwanag ng araw, no? Pero parang lumamig-lamig. It's a bit cooler. Okay, so we're going to the cemetery, so we'll be eating our burgers. So today is Father's Day, and it's also the Summer Solstice, and we also have this eclipse, and it's also the longest day of the year. So have a good Summer Solstice day. This is one of the most amazing atmospheric phenomenon that we've encountered today. So not only did we observe a solar eclipse, we're now seeing a colorful display of iridescence in the clouds. Look at that. That's so amazing.
Marami
Let's
akong
zoom.
question sa basement.
Let's see if you can zoom this a bit. Whoa, whoa. That is really amazing. Unfortunately, there are wires cutting across the field of view.
Ay, na yung puti. Complete.
Ha?
Hindi yung taas. Kanan, taas.
Nasa taas ng record button.
Yung puti, yan, pang-picture yan.
Teka, teka.
Go. Go, kamenta. Ayan. Stop na. Ano ba
sakto
yan?
na.
Go na, go na. Go na.
Nakita kaya mo yan. Kaya mo yan, Dan.
Ano ba? Ayun naman.
Hindi, nakiklik yan.
Ah, okay.
Pagkahawak niya.
Ano?
Yan. Yan. Isa pa. Yan. Ano yan?
Pwede ba yung zoom out ng tanong?
Zoom out down. Ayan, ang ganda, grabe.
In 200 meters,
Picture
turn
ka.
left.
Hindi naman na, kakapture naman yan.
Hindi, kasi kita ko yun.
Then baka abutan pa natin dun sa sementeryo.
Mhm.
Maganda dun.
Let's go.
Maganda siguro sunset dun ngayon. So today is the summer solstice and strange things are
Turn
happening
left.
in the sky.
Ano ito kasi, baka ito yung ano yung sasabi ni Jana sa ano, Chano.
Oo.
May lalabas.
Okay na to?
Well, shoot mo, shoot. Keep shooting. Something's happening.
In 800 meters, turn right. In 800 meters, turn right.
Yan, mukha mo sarap. Ganda, grabe. Ayun o.
Taas ko.
Galing. Oo, galing. Kaya buong ano, buong
Pangit
paligid
na.
ng clouds.
Layo na. Ayan.
In 200 meters, turn right.
Gagawin kayo ng music video mamaya. Ganda ko
Tawag din eh.
Dapat nandun tayo sa sementeryo.
Bisa mo, daddy. Naka.
Hindi nga tayo
Turn right.
magka-brero.
Dumilim na.
Ba't tayo magta-turn right?
Hindi, wag mo na sundin sa cemetery yung tayo punta.
Ayun nga, ba't tayo magta-turn right?
Ano nga kasi yun?
Dali yan sa side ni Sean. Saan ka na sa side?
In 200 meters, turn right. And then, turn right.
Ba't dumilim?
Nga pa namang sabi niyo, mahabang
Baka sobrang laki ng ano.
Oo, lamas ko yun.
Bakit ang halo dumili?
Hindi, ang
Nag-eclipse nga ito.
Baka malaki ng ano. Yung ulap.
ganda niyan, grabe.
Tapos may rainbow clouds pa.
Turn right.
Dapat
And then,
Galing.
turn right.
Diba?
Turn right.
Kaya pa turn right.
Tulad dati, doon tayo sa makakang oil pinag.
Ganda, kulay blue.
Ayun, maganda ulit oh.
Tadya na ta. Hindi nakita dito. Harapan mo. Mataas.
Garan ako yun, nag-drive na.
Sige lang.
Gusto na yung blue din mo.
Medyo malayo sa kapro.
Daddy, dito ka. Huwag mo pansin.
Naka-zoom out yan.
Saka pa nang nawala si Catriona, hindi ako nag-drive.
Oo nga. Dahan-dahan din. Magana siya.
Yan na rin.
Hindi, may kulay pa.
Ano?
Konti. Ganda, grabe. Ang wallpaper. Siguro ang ganda niyan pag nasa airplane lalo.
Hindi, di mo makikita.
Yun, ang ganda may mga kulay blue. Ang ganda, grabe oh. Mas may taas mismo yung tingin ka.
Nandito ka ba? Wala na.
Ano siya? Pakita natin.
Ayun oh. Grabe oh. Ang laki. Hindi mo shine?
Mga kulay blue.
Hindi. Kakaiba siya. Sobrang laki. Yung pink. Parang may haze.
Oo nga no?
Kita mo.
Oo.
Nasaan? Hindi ka nakikita.
May harang kasi yung pintana.
Nakikita ka na.
Ayun na.
May
Ito.
malaking haze. Ayun oh, ayun oh. Ganda, grabe. Oh.
Dito pa ito medyo sa likod.
Paano kaya yung nangyari? Tapos yung mga magpo-post niyan, yung sobrang taas na ng ano, saturation.
Sa yung
Edited na.
Ako, sa satellite.
Yung Lightroom na.
Po-post ko rin yun. Pwede yung video mo.
Sa side na siya eh.
Naku, matagal ipasa yan. Laki niyan.
Ayun na, may dumang aeroplano.